guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about your Samsung dishwasher, and if you're getting error code 7C, you've ran the Samsung Diagnostics test mode from this video that I have published previously. Check that video out, that way you can run the diagnostic test mode on your dishwasher if you're not automatically getting this error code. But if you're hearing this sound here, whenever you're trying to run a load of dishes, it sounds like the water wall's just going back and forth. Well, this might be the problem, so stick around and I'll show you exactly what it is. Alright guys, let's open up our dishwasher here. Okay, and in here we're going to see the Waterwall arm. Also, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I look super pale and like super terrible right now. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you're going to see that Waterwall assembly right there. You're going to pull it forward. Okay? You're going to take it off. So here, you have the Waterwall assembly. Well, not the whole thing. I mean, that's part of it too. But this is the diverter arm, or whatever it's called. There's a magnet right here. You can see it's a magnet because it's got all this metal pieces. And so, not sure where that's coming from, but that doesn't look good. Anyway, you're going to want to buy, or at least try, this magnet could be bad. Now this is not an end-all fix-all for this. It could also be that this isn't sitting on there properly. I have a video on that, link in the description. Could also be that the motor is bad, and there's a number of other things that are causing this error 7C, and I have another video on that, right here. Link in the description for those two videos, or 3 videos really. I've done a number of these, but this is the one that I haven't done. The magnet and then the motor. I got to do the motor next. The magnet right here, all you're going to do is take a screwdriver. You're going to unscrew this. Okay? And you're going to replace that magnet with the one that you're going to go get from the description below. That's really it. You screw the new one back on. If it fixes the problem, you're good to go. It was a $30-some part. End of the day, you're good to go. Anyway guys, if this video has helped you, I hope you guys hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos to help your life just like this one. I hope each and every one of you have a blessed day. God bless each and every one of you. Goodbye. I love you.